Hello. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I thank all of you for visiting my channel. And for those of you who are new, my name is Rosaline. And on this channel, we talk about business. We talk about how to take care of your natural hair. Look at my hair, natural hair, guys. And we talk about food recipe, and we talk about family. But on this video, guys, I would like to talk with you guys of how you can make your money work for you. I did a video in Creole the last time, in Creole. So I said to myself that it was very important for myself to do an English version of it, because it's what I'm about to say is extremely important, guys. I want you to pay attention, because you will learn a lot. So a lot of us are working 9 to 5 job. Sometimes we don't even feel like getting up. We sick, but because it's not our job, we work for people, we don't have no choice but to get up and go to work. Okay, 9 to 5. So, and a lot of us at the same time also, we save our money at the bank, and the bank use our money and they go and invest it in forex trade. They go invest it in the stock market. They making thousands, millions, billions of money out of our own money. Yep. You put your money in the bank, guess what? They only give you a couple cents, a couple dollars. It depends how much you have saved. So for years, they don't give you nothing in return, really. Okay? But they can use your money. They go invest it, and they make money out of your money. So because they're smarter, they know how to work with your money. But today you will learn how you can make your money work for you. Instead of let your money sit at the bank and let the bank rich on you, make your money work for you. How? I'm not about to tell you what to do with your money, okay? Because some of us, not everybody have this business mentality. Some people they are shopaholic. Some people, they like to save. Some people, they love to just make money. They would love to become successful. I love to be successful. You know, every day my mind is working. 2 a.m., 3 a.m. If I wake up, my mind is working. Something always going on in this head. I'm thinking of new ways to make money. I mean, I love to make money because, I mean, it feels so good when you are financially stable. Like when you get in trouble, you don't have to call a friend, you don't have to call a family to borrow money, but you have your money saved at the bank. That feeling is good. So when you guys have, okay, for example, you see how many of us receiving the stimulus check from the government. A lot of you guys, when you receive this money, y'all go shopping, go buy expensive bag, expensive shoes, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Jordan sneaker, you know, you name it. So you guys go ahead, and to me, I call it waste. No, I call it waste. The rich people, they make the money work for them. If you already have a Gucci bag, a Chanel, or you have a bag to go out, why keep buying stuff? You put them in your closet, you're not even going out with them. Use this money and make it work for you. You can open a business with it. Okay, go on Google Trend, find out what's trending, what product are trending. Okay, find out what products for 2021 product trending, and open a business, build a website. You know, I built a website for myself. I learned on YouTube. Okay, I don't go to school to learn no website. However, some people, they can look at it there and they still cannot build it, because you need time and you need this. You can look at something and you still cannot do it. Okay, so I have a website. I'm gonna post the link under my video so you can check it out. Okay, and you know, you could do job shaping. Okay, and this money as well, you can invest it. For those of you who are working, some jobs, they offer 401k. Okay, you can invest more money out of paycheck. Okay, invest more money out of paycheck so that the company can match this. Okay, some company they match it, which means they give you free money. If you, let's say, if you invest 6% out of your paycheck, the company would invest would match that. That's free money. So you invest more for your retirement. Okay, because when you retire, you don't want to keep working. A lot of people are retired, they still working hard because they did not make any enough, they did not invest for the future. You have to invest for your future. This money the government giving you, invested in a life insurance. You have kids, open a life insurance for your kids, health insurance for yourself when you get in trouble, so that you don't have no headache. You don't have to, the doctor don't have to send you home because you don't have no insurance. Okay, have a life insurance. Once you are working, you will be able to pay that life insurance every month. At least your when you die, something happened to you, your family don't have no burden on themselves. Okay, so for your kids, save for your kids' college. Invest in mutual funds. These money, they give birth to money. They give you more money in return. I know sometimes when the market go up, the money will go up. Sometimes when it go down, it go down. But mostly it go up. So invest your money in the mutual funds, or you can invest some money for your kids' college in 529. Okay, a lot of you say, oh, when my kids reach the age of 18, they could start working. Let me enjoy my life. Blah 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 blah. The government, they could apply for financial aid. Blah 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 blah. No, even if they apply for financial aid, even if they receive scholarship grants, they're still gonna have loan to pay. So when your child go into school, when they are working, they cannot focus properly. Okay, a lot of young, they end up drop out of school because they have to work to pay for rent, and at the same time they have to study for school. They cannot focus. But if you did your work as a parent, you save money for them to pay for cash in the 529, tax free. Okay, tax free, or mutual funds. Okay, they would not end up all money, but you would be able to pay cash for them, and they wouldn't even be able to keep working. They would have the money right there. Save for your kids' college. Give your kids a life insurance, health insurance. You never know what can happen. Okay, and open a business. I don't know if I mentioned. I think I mentioned already. Open a business. Think. Make your money work for you. Don't give all your strength to people, making them rich out of you, and then you left with nothing when you reach the age of 65, 64, and you still cannot pay your rent. You don't even have a good health insurance, and you have no choice than to go back to work. Is that the life that you want? Is that the life that you want? And I'm not sure this is what you want. So think, guys. Think. This is 2021. Okay? Go to school. Learn something. Those of you who still young, go to school. Learn something. Put more stuff in your brain. Make sure you learn something that even if corona, any kind of diseases, this work, you will still be able to work. For example, those people with medical career like nursing, pharmacists, and even if no corona, these people will always have job, because people will always get sick. Make sure get a stable job, get a stable career, go to school, stop hanging out all the time, and don't do nothing for your life. Don't waste time. Waste your time in something that is valuable for your life, for your future, for your kids. Make sure you are insured in everything. Your car. Make sure even your car have good insurance, guys. Yeah, make sure your car have good insurance, because a lot of people out there, they don't have good insurance. Okay, they don't have good insurance. So that is why you need to put like something called uninsured motorist. Okay, just in case something happened, your policy cover you. Okay, uninsured motorist, work law, personal injury protection, all these things. Make sure you get the best, guys. Make sure you are insured. I don't care if you receive less money from the paycheck, but at least you are secure, you are covered. Okay, take care of yourself. Open businesses as much as you can. Rental property. If you have a lot of money, get loan, buy properties, rent them out, make money, make sure you have something, you know, you have something that keep giving you money, so that you can be free. Not all the time you feel like working with people. You don't have to work with people all the time. You can have business giving you money, rental property giving you money, so that you can go to vacation with your family, enjoy your life to the fullest. You don't have to wait for the age of 65 to retire. You could retire 25, 30, 32. It depends how much money you have in the bank, or how much business you have, how much how you call it, returns you have, like revenue, profits you're making from businesses. Guys, take care of your life. Think about your life. Have a new mentality for this 2021. You know, buy books, read, invest in your knowledge, read books, watch videos, sign up in groups. There are so many groups on Facebook, guys, that is sharing so much good information. Find them out about anything about financial, whatever it is. Go for it. Get yourself inside this group. You will learn so much. I learned so much on Facebook groups, guys. So much. For this 2021, this is a new Rosaline, a new me, new mentality. Okay? So I'm not advising people what to do, and I'm not doing it. No. So take care of yourself. Think about your future. Okay? Nobody gonna do it for you but you. You are responsible for your future. And always remember to put God first in everything. Pray, and always write down your plans in a paper or on a board, and so that you can always see it. Every time you see it, you pray on it, and then you take action. Every time you take an action, you check it. Okay? Make sure you write down everything that you would love to accomplish for the year of 2021, and make sure you are very determined. Okay? You are very determined. Do not procrastinate about nothing. Always determined. Look at this board or at this paper that have your plan. Always say, oh, today I'm gonna do this, or this month I'm gonna accomplish this. Check them out, and you will see how much you'll be able to accomplish. And save your money. For those of you who love to eat out, go to the grocery store, buy food, cook at home. It will save you so much, guys. Stop eating too much. You could go to eat out, but you don't have to go all the time, because you will end up spending so much money. And for those of you who have monthly subscriptions, for example, Amazon Prime, a lot of you rarely shopping. Sometimes you could only shop 1-2 times a month, and you're paying Amazon $12 or $13. I don't remember. Yeah, you're paying Amazon Prime for so much money. Amazon is rich. Amazon is getting rich on you guys. If you are a shopaholic, you want your stuff to come in 1 day, 2 days, then get it. But if you don't like to shop like that, you do that occasionally, go ahead and cancel this thing. Go ahead and cancel this thing. For those of you who paying Comcast cable for $100 and something, you barely stay home to watch TV. You always go to work. You don't even have time to watch TV. So why are you paying Comcast $100 and something for? Okay, for example, like I mentioned in the Creole video, my husband loves to watch Netflix. I don't love to watch TV. I always reading. I always learning stuff on the internet. My kids love to watch stuff on YouTube. So what I do, I just pay internet. Yup. I just pay internet, and I just get Netflix. I don't have no cable. We don't need it. My husband is not home. My kids go to school. I don't watch TV. So you think I'm gonna let Comcast rich on me? Huh? No, honey. For those of you again who pay the subscription for the gym, what for? Go to the park every morning. Wake up, walk. Go run on the sidewalk. Go or buy something. How you call it? The jogging thing. Walmart. Check Walmart. Buy the sport thing. You could run on it. I don't know what his name. Okay, my dad had one. So you don't have to keep in monthly stuff. Google subscription, app subscription. What for? Save your money. Those subscriptions. Put them together, and you will see how much money you will be able to save. You will see how much money you will be able to save. And make sure you create a budget. Okay, make sure you create a budget, meaning You might say this month I'm gonna be able to spend $300. It depends how much people you have at your home. So let's say you have a budget. They have app for that. I think I have a Mint. I have an app called Mint where I have a budget. It would tell you you connect it with your bank account. Every time you spend, it have a record of everything you spend, and then it tells you, and then when you have direct deposit and so on, it tells you how much you end up spend, how much you end up have left. So you'll be able to track where all your money go. Okay, let's say if you eat a lot, it will tell you you spent that amount of money for eating out, so that you can fix things. Make sure you have a budget. If you say you're gonna spend $300 for this month, make sure don't go over that. You know, do not spend more than you have. Do not go spend more than you have. Always go below what you make as much as possible. Okay, guys? Anyway, I think that's it. I don't know what else would come in my head. You know, I don't write anything. They just come in. So I don't know what else I would tell you guys. So anyway, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video and listen to me. And please support my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it so that your friends, your family, or other people can end up learn something from this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch me. Have a nice day.